Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the movie guide bubbles are for week 2 in Heartopia. So let's view the first riddle here. It says, dreaming on the sand. Choose a comfortable way to enjoy the film. Even lounging on a beach chair is fine, but please keep quiet and avoid disturbing others. So the location is here. Make sure you unlock the riddle first or else the bubble won't be there. So the location's here um, on Amethyst Beach. That is the first bubble location for week 2. For the second location, it's going to be near the Deer Tower. Well, it's going to be at the Deer Tower, but again, you are going to unlock the hint first, like the riddle. It says, Patty wanted to check a photo to check. Wait. Patty wanted to take a photo to check if the wild greens you picked were similar to species near Deer Tower, but held back upon seeing the no recording notice. And as you can see, the bubble will be here. Here's where it is on the map, by the way. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!